Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week, a little bit different. We're going to cover the curried chickpea wraps. This is from the How Not to Die cookbook, very apt for these times. It's a wonderful book by Dr. Michael Greger. Really good website if you want to go on and learn a lot more about plant-based food and diets. This is a really easy dish. So pretty much that is the recipe here. Need some wraps, a tin of chickpeas, raisins, apple, a lemon, white miso paste, really good, a small onion or spring onion, mild curry, celery. You need some shredded lettuce. As a sweetener, kind of plant-based diet, really good to have some date syrup, which I actually have covered the recipe if you look into my playlist.
So this dish is really easy to make. Just gonna finally assemble this. You've got your pulse, main ingredients, you've got the sliced lettuce. What I would just recommend is just to put this in the microwave just for 20 seconds and it just slightly warms it up. And finally assemble this. And then some lettuce along the side. Just leaning towards one side there. Just fold this over, lettuce into the chickpea and in and around, just to add that lovely technique and presentation. And you can slightly just put that overlapping like so. So really hope you're enjoying this show. Make sure you subscribe. Really good to get your sort of feedback and what are you doing with your chickpeas. Really good to hear some inspiring recipes of what you've been doing. As part of this recipe, you can actually add nuts as well. I've left the cashew nuts out of this because my wife doesn't enjoy them, but this is an easy dish you can have as a packed lunch,
snack, or even we're having it for tea tonight. It's absolutely fantastic. So,